Hello everyone, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. Here on this channel, I love to create ideas for weddings, anniversaries, parties, or just your table at home. I am getting ready to create a centerpiece, and here are the supplies you would need. For the craft foam ball, what I did was I bought one big ball and cut it in half. I'm getting ready to create a purple centerpiece. Now, before my big announcement, I want to welcome my first time viewers. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Go ahead on and push that subscribe button, like button, and turn your notification bell on so you can know each time I upload a video. To my awesome, dedicated, supportive, loving family members, I appreciate you from where the bottom of my heart. I truly thank you. Are you ready for my big announcement? Well, your girl on September the 22nd will have her very own online store where you can purchase everything that I make on this channel from now on. Yes, this centerpiece that I am making will be available also. This centerpiece will be perfect for a bride-to-be whose wedding colors has purple in it. I want you to know that centerpieces are not the only thing that I will be making on this channel, so please come back and keep watching my videos to see what I have in store. Family, I decided to go ahead on and do an online store because I have 5 boxes of flowers and I would like to create things that I think you guys will like and that you may buy it. In this video, I will be creating 2 centerpieces. Now this first centerpiece, what I am doing right now is I am cutting my flowers and I'm gluing them to my foam ball. Now you can buy these craft foam balls in a whole ball or a half a ball. Now if you purchase the one that is a whole ball, you can cut it in half and you can use it for 2 different projects. Now I'm putting glue around the edges of the foam ball so that when I sit it inside of the glass bowl, it will stay. Now you can take the foam out of the glass and use it for something else. The last thing I'm going to do is put some glue around the edge of the candle holder, and then I'm going to place my bowl right on top of my candle holder. Now try to center it as much as you can. Now I'm using my glue gun in this video because the glue dries faster, but after the video I am going to go back and take it apart and use my E6000 because I want it to sit overnight and make the entire project much more sturdy and it will stay in place. Right now I am creating my second centerpiece and the top part would just be the same, so I'm just repeating the steps. I can't wait for you to see all the beautiful creations that I am getting ready to make with all the flowers that I have. Well fam, school started back for my 11-year-old. This is going to be interesting. They did not do the face-to-face. They're doing the online classes. So this is going to be an interesting year. Have any of your kids or grandkids started school yet? Are they doing face-to-face? If so, how is that going? Okay, now that I am finished with my floor arrangement, now I am going to create my stand. I will be using 2 candle holders to make my stand. I will glue one candle holder on top of the other. Then I'm going to glue my bowl on top of my stand. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is glue my stand on top of this bowl. Again, I want to reiterate that I will be taking everything apart and gluing it back together with my E6000 glue. Okay family, I am finished. Now I'm going to put all my centerpieces together. I'm going to add a ring flower to the bottom of 2 of my vases. There is another option. If you do not want to put the flowers at the bottom of each one of your vases, then you can take a candle and put it right in the center of your floral ring. You can place the candles in front of your floral arrangements, or you can place them on the side of them. You can also light up the stand by placing an LED light underneath the bowl. Okay family, now I'm finished putting this beautiful floral arrangement together. Okay family, everything you see except the candles will be available to purchase on September the 22nd. I'm going to show you several different looks that you can create with this centerpiece. You could take away the 2 side centerpiece and just use the candles. You can take the smaller centerpieces and use them on another table. You can also use just a tall one and a short one on one table. You can use the 2 smaller centerpieces with the candles on one table and use the taller centerpiece on another table. You can mix and match it any way you want, or you can just use them all on one table. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. Thank you again for watching.